my network went off, and then that session was suddenly brought to a close. I don't know what happened. I don't really know what happened to the network. This Nigerian network is a funny thing. I was, shut out by the network. I don't know what went wrong. And the session was suddenly ended. Sorry about that. It's unfortunate. That is the kind of things we see in Nigeria every time. So sorry for those of you who were online and then before the thing, knocked you off. Very sorry for that. It's quite unfortunate. Please, if you are still around, back online, back live, you can rejoin the class now. I don't know what happened, but I just discovered the class was ended abruptly. Network shut me out, and then the class was ended suddenly. So if you are still around, please, you need to rejoin this class now. Sorry about that. You do have to rejoin this class. This is the Igbo tutor live. I'm back online. I don't know what happened to that particular session. The thing just ended. I don't know what happened. The network just stopped working, and boom, we had the class ended. If you are still around, rejoin the class now. Sorry about that. Network just shut us off, and we have no choice than to return back now. So if you are still around, do rejoin the class. We lost you all due to network failure, but we are back now. So we're sorry about that. If you are still around, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. And we are beginning again. We are live before now, but the next. Honestly, I don't know what is going on today. The network seemed not to be written. Very sorry about that. But what do? That is what we get in Nigeria. But sorry about that. I'm still here. I hope network will allow us to have this lesson today. I also want to thank those of you who are trying to rejoin the class, because the first one ended just abruptly. We were shut out by network, and then we restarted a new session. So if you are still around and online, we plead that you rejoin us back now. Let's do this together. Igbo Tutor is back online, back live. So rejoin now wherever you are. See me now. You'll have to rejoin. It's unfortunate that we are having this kind of challenge in our dear country, Nigeria. Nothing seems to be working well. And that's why we are having this off and on of network. Everything is in disarray in this our dear country, Nigeria, because of bad leadership. But we hope to get it right someday, where things will work normal. I want to appreciate those of you who are rejoining back after the first class was suddenly ended, unprepared, and then unannounced. We are shut out by network, and the class ended forcefully. Quite unfortunate. But I want to thank those of you who are coming back to class now, because I'm still here, I'm going nowhere, and I'm not allowing the network to discourage me. I'm going on with this class. I'm going on. So those of you who have rejoined back, I appreciate. Thank you for your doggedness. So for rejoining back, I thank you. Those of you who have rejoined back the class or who are joining for the first time, what we do here is that when you join our class, you drop your greetings. Just say Ndewo, no, Dalu, well done. By doing that, we can be able to, extend our greetings to you too, because we're going to pick your name. and communicate with you directly, because this is a live class. This is live Igbo lesson class, free live Igbo class. So wherever you are, seeing us now, you are interested in learning Igbo language for free, you are connected to Igbo language by birth or by marriage or by association or whatever, or by business, this is where to be. You do have to come live. Let's learn Igbo language together, free of charge, wherever you are, in any part of the world. Wherever you are seeing me now, this is the Igbo tutor, Mazioka. So wherever you are, in any part of the globe, and you're seeing me now, you are welcome to free Igbo language class. No. No for coming back to class, even after the sudden stoppage of our first session. Chikezie McDonald, Dewo, for coming to class today. We missed you last week. Dewo. Please, as you join the class, drop your greetings, hit the like button. These are a few things we do as we join class. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Let this go out to more people so that they can benefit also like you are doing. And then, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you do that so that you can, be carried along in our future, video. We're going to drop or notifications for live sessions. You also get that notification. You also need to hit the notification bell. That way, when we announce our next live session or drop our next video, you will be notified. These are a few things you need to do so that you can benefit maximally from our live classes. Thank you all for your trust and belief in us. Thank you for your commitment to this. Dr. Blahi, I'm still waiting for you to rejoin the class. And the rest of you who were in the class before network shut us out. Thank you for coming on board. We continue now. Before we are interrupted by network in Nigeria, we were talking about the lesson progression. The level we are now is the Igbo verb game. When we say verb game, we're talking about applying Igbo verb in different ways and formats in a way that alters the spelling, the pronunciation, and the meaning of course. And then we apply them in sentences. By so doing, we expand our knowledge of the verb and the applicability of it and the usage. And then that will equip us more to flow better as we communicate with Igbo language. We call it Igbo verb game. So we are continuing from where we stopped before network stopped us. We began by reminding ourselves of where we stopped last week, which was cheta, which is remember. We considered the last word and sentence we did last week, and we moved on to the first verb for today before we stopped, or we were stopped by network. So where we are is chipo. That is the verb for today that we are beginning with, chipo. And we say we should write the word chipo. As anyone has written that with Dr. Blahi, and they wrote it fine, chipo. Then we now move to breaking it into its different forms. And the first form of chipo is, we say, to carry away. And we say we should write the word to carry away, because chipo means carry away. Then to carry away means what in Igbo language? Please, let's write it in the chat now. To carry away. Write it now. We wait for it to be dropped in the chat as we move on. The first form of this parent verb, chipo. We said to carry away. What is that in Igbo? Please hit the like button if you have not done that. That's a few things you need to do when you join. Chipo, carry away. Yes, as anyone have written that. We're not talking about to carry away. What is that in Igbo language? To carry away. Write that. To carry away. Write that for us. Who is helping us? To carry away is what? It appears network is not letting us get the flow very quickly. Okay? But let's try. We will not give up. So carry away means what? Okay, Chikeze has written Ichipo. Okay, that's great. Ichipo. Anybody trying again? To carry away. What does that mean in Igbo? Somebody has written Ichipo. Yes. Clement Emehe. They will know in a class. Okay. What is the word, Igbo word for to carry away? Chikeze has written. Anybody still trying? Anybody still trying that? To carry away. What are you writing? Ichopo. Okay, that's what Clement wrote. Ichopo. By the way, Clement, it appears you tried calling me before this class started. I saw something like an attempt from you to call me, but I was busy then. Clement, did you try calling me? Please confirm whether you are the one or somebody else. I saw something that looked like your name trying to call me while I was busy online with something else. Clement, did you try calling me? Please confirm that. Let me be sure so I can call you back after. Okay, Ichipo. Yes, Clement has written. Clement, respond to my inquiry while we wait for others to. What is your word for to carry away? To carry away. Okay, the two responses we got are correct. To carry away is Ichipo. So, Chikeze got it, Clement also got it. Ichipo. That is to carry away. Now, let's look at the past tense of Ichipo, which is carried away. What is the Igbo word for carried away? The past tense of carry away. What is the Igbo word for that? Someone should help us. What is the Igbo word for carried away? The verb. In past tense, carried away. If you have not hit the like button, please do. If you have not hit the share button, please do. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so that you get our notifications. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when we schedule our live class, which comes up every Saturday, 2 p.m. West African time, Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Please block that off your calendar to be always prepared for this class. Yes, we're talking about carried away, past tense of carry away. What is that in Igbo? Carried away. Yes, waiting for you to write that. Anybody? Carried away. Past tense of carry away. No one is responding to this. I hope we're not having network challenge today. Okay, okay. Agama Bogi Nemesia. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, I remember I saw something like your name trying to flash up while I was busy. Okay, all right, that's fine. We'll talk after. Now we're talking about Chikeze has written Chiporo. Chiporo. That's great. Chiporo. All right, Chiporo. Anybody trying that again? Past tense of Chipo. Carried away. The past tense of Chipo. Chikeze has written something. Chiporo. Any other person with a different suggestion on this? Try that now. Those of you who are joining the class, there are a few things you need to do when you join our class. Drop a greeting so that we can pick your name and be sure you are here. It's a way of marking your register. Hit the like button, very important for us. Hit the share button, very important for us as a way of showing support and solidarity. And then telling more people to join us. And then subscribe to our channel if you have not done so and hit the notification bell. That way, you will not miss any of our uploads. You will also be notified when we have our next live session or when we're going to have it. When we put out a notice for that, you will get it. So very important you do those things. And mind you, we meet here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So anywhere you are, please block this date and time off your calendar and be ready for class every Saturday. Yes, we're talking about Cheporo. Two people have written, Clement has written, Chikeze has written Cheporo. And their responses are correct. Cheporo, carried away. Those are correct answers. We go on. Will carry away. What is that? Will carry away. What is that verb? It's a phrasal verb referring to the future. You know, it's future tense, but a phrasal verb will carry away. How is it? Is that written in Igbo language? Will carry away. Write that. Write that. Will carry away. How is it written in Igbo language? Write it now. Will carry away. Those of you who are joining our classes, you are not dropping your greetings for us to know you and extend our greetings to you. You are not doing very well. You have all not also hit the like button. You have not shared our video. You are not doing very well. This live session, you have not shared it. You are not doing well. You are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. You are not supporting us well. Encourage us to do more. So, Clement wrote ga a chipo. Okay, that's a good option. Let me see any other option. The word is will carry away. Will carry away. Okay, Dr. Blah, you are welcome back to class. We almost missed you. Ga a chipo. Okay, that what Clement wrote, we carry, that what Chikeze wrote, we carry away. Ga a chipo. Great. Clement wrote, ga a chipo. Great. Great effort. We're going to explain when to use E after ga and when to use A after ga. For those of you who are not here last class, we explained it in last class, but we are going to say something about it again to remind you in case you were not here last Saturday, when to continue writing with E or A after writing ga, when to continue with E or A as the case may be. Because in this case now we have somebody writing ga a chipo, another person wrote ga a chipo. When do we use A or E to continue after writing ga? Okay, we're going to explain that before we move on. Those of you who have not hit the like button, you are not fair to us at all as your teacher. You are not showing support. Do that now, please. It's important. We have gotten 2 responses, and let's look at the 2 of them. It appears no more is coming in. SN1 is not bringing anyone in. Okay, we're saying right, we carry away. And we got 2 responses from everybody that is here. Okay, so let's look at 2 of them. Let's mark. Somebody wrote ga a chipo. Somebody wrote ga a chipo. Okay, Dr. Blahi has written ga chipo. Okay. Sorry, network. All right. Sorry about that. Sorry about those interruptions. Not a fault of mine. But I don't know whether to continue with this class or not. But it's really painful that network is throwing us around. I don't know. I don't know whether to continue or not. I don't really know what to do. Most of our students that were here has gone. I don't know. Should we continue or not? Really not. I really don't know what to do. I don't know whether to continue or not. But the truth is that network is really a mess today. It has really affected our class today badly. Should I continue or should I not? What is your opinion? Should I continue or should I not continue? I want to hear from you. Because if I tell you I'm not discouraged, I'm telling lies. Should I continue this class or not? What do you think? But I think you have already, taken out your time to be here. For no fault of yours, this class should not stop. Okay? For no fault of yours, this class should not stop because you have made out your time to come to class. And I'm here too, myself, I'm ready to teach. But something is trying to discourage me. But for your sake, I think I should push on as long as you are still here. If I have 3 people here, 4 people here, for your sake, I should push on. I think even if I have 1 person, I think for your sake, I should go on because you have made out your time, you've canceled other engagements, you are here for the class. I don't want to just let you down. So let's see how it goes. We move on. So we're talking about when to use E after writing ga. For example, ga chipu or ge chipu. I explained it last Saturday, but I need to say something about it again briefly. We are talking about vowel agreement here. Ga, a chipu or ge chipu. Why do we have to use a instead of a? It's vowel agreement. When you write ga finish, I want to begin to write a chipu, for example, or a chipu. What determines it is what was the first vowel that comes after chip, in that word, a chipu. Okay? Is it a heavy vowel or light one? In this case, chipu. After CH, the vowel that comes after that is a light vowel. I with dot under is light. So what will come at the back of chi should be a light vowel so that the sound can rhyme. We can't say ga a chipo. No, it has to be ga chipo. But if we go to another word that after the consonant, the first vowel that comes is a heavy vowel, we use E to continue. Example is the one we treated last week, cheta. Cheta, remember, C-H-E-T-A. E after CH is a heavy vowel, which is A. Now, if you want to say ga e cheta, you cannot say ga a cheta, it won't flow. So you have to use E to rhyme with the E after the CH. It becomes ga e cheta, E-C-H-E, e cheta. You can't use G-A, and you now put a cheta, it won't flow. In today's case now, talking about chipo. After CH, we have I without under light vowel. It has to go with a light vowel too. A is a light vowel. It has to be a chipo, not a chipo. It won't flow. It's a chipo. So in this case, it's ga chipo, not ge chipo. Talking to who wrote that a chipo? Let me see. Okay, that was Clement Temehe. So that's why we will not take your response as the correct one. It's not ga a chipo, or rather ga chipo, because of vowel agreement. I hope that is clear enough. So we go to is carrying away. What is the verb for that? I must commend those of you who are still staying for this class. God bless you. You are the reason why I'm here. Okay, so the next one is carrying away. What is the Igbo word for that? Is carrying away. I want to believe what I explained is clear enough. Please, if you understand what I explained about the vowel agreement, where to use a chipo and a chipo, as the case may be, please say you understand. Give that a thumbs up in the chat. Let me be sure you got me. Say it's clear, or a thumbs up, whatever. Let me know you got my explanation. I want to be sure you got what I explained. Give it a thumbs up. Say it's okay, understood, or whatever. Make a comment. Just say something. Before we go to is carrying away. Is carrying away. What is that? Is carrying away. What is the Igbo word for? Is carrying away. Yeah, Clement say, hey, you got that. Understood. Princess says, very fair, very well. Thank you for that. Okay, so is carrying away. What is the word? Igbo word for is carrying away. Yes, is a present continuous tense, but in a phrasal verb for present continuous. Okay, somebody has written something na chipo. Okay, na chipo. Okay, let me wait for others to see what their own contribution towards this. Mind you, those of you who have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not Maybe because of you, network is disturbing us because you have not shown you like this live session. You've not shown you are interested in it. Maybe that's why network is kicking us around like football. Maybe if you have hit the like button, who knows? They may have allowed us to continue this class very smoothly. So, but you refuse to show that you like this class. Maybe you are the one that is guilty here. Okay? So now, okay, somebody has written na achipo. Okay. Ablahi wrote, Dr. Ablahi, or chepuro. Yeah, no, Dr. Ablahi, that is not what we say we should write. We're talking about will carry away. That phrasal verb on its own, write it, will carry away. Write the phrasal verb. Is a present future tense, future. That's what we say you should write. Many people have written, Chikeze has written na chipu, Clement na chipu, Princess na chipu. Those responses are great and they are correct. Those are the words. Na chipu is carrying away. Let's go on to the last variation of this particular verb or phrasal verb, which is go carry away. Go carry away. What is the word for it? Go carry away, like a command. Go carry away is also a phrasal verb, like a command. Go carry away. Give me the Igbo version for that. Go carry away. Don't let me speak Igbo myself. I need to test you. That's what we're doing here. Go carry away. What is the Igbo version for it? Go carry away. Ngwa, they are not Igbo. Go carry away. Waiting for you. Go carry away. Chikeze has written, class captain has written. Who else is contributing to this? Go carry away. Okay, just a guy. You're welcome to class. Okay, just a guy wrote ga achipo. Ga achipo. Okay. Maybe you didn't follow what we did before. Maybe you are just coming to class now. Princess say ga chipu. Great. Dab wanyoma jisike dede. Go carry away. Buruya bupu. Okay. Buruya bupu. That's good. Dab wanyoma no na class anyo. I dekele you. That is the first time you are joining our live class. Thank you for coming on. Okay, Dr. Blahi. Ga chiporo. Good effort. I love all those contributions, different versions. That's why I like you to be in live class. You just say it the way you think you understand it. By the time we give the correction, you'll be able to measure your level of progress in Igbo. You'll be able to know where you need to improve further or whether you need more help or personal help or private help to brush you up. That is the importance of being in live class. Let's look at the markings. So that one, Yoma, we always, for your sake, and those who are joining for the first time, we always meet on Saturdays by 2 p.m. Nigeria time, or 13:00 GMT, in case you are not in Nigeria. Please always make out time to join us every Saturday by this time for free Igbo live class, right? So let's look at the answers given. We have Chikeze wrote ga chipo. Just a guy wrote ga achipo. This ga achipo means we carry away. We're past that already. Ga achipo means we'll carry away. That's not where we are now. Where we are is a command. Go carry away. Princess Ewa wrote ga chipo. That's better. Just Nwanyoma wrote go carry away. Buruya poor. Okay, you are talking about lifting it like a load and carrying it away. But the command here is that go carry away. It's a simple command. It's not that we're lifting a load, okay? And then your own version is like you say, oh, lift it up like a load here, carry it away to that place. But the command is go carry away. It's like the thing is not here. You are asking the person to go there and carry it away. That is the difference between what Nwanyoma wrote and what we're talking about here now. Okay? So, Nwanyoma, thank you for your contribution. Just go here, just a guy. Okay? Ablahi, ga cheporoya. That's not what we're talking about. It is ga, go carry away. Ga chipu. Ga chipu. Let's see. Gave Osborne. Tutuoma. Everyone them. Okay. Gave. No. Na live class. No. That's Igbo. Okay. Wanyoma wrote. All right, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. So the answers. Let's give it now. The final answer. The answer is Ga chipu. You can use Ga as a single A or double A, whichever you prefer. Both are correct. Ga chipu or Ga chipu. Both are right. We've gotten all the versions of what we are talking about here. Remember, the parent word, the parent verb is chipu. And we're talking about Igbo verb game. We're trying to turn around the Igbo verb and use it in different forms to expand our knowledge of that particular verb and the usage in various scenarios in language making. So let's go back to the second phase of this, which is making simple sentences with the word. The first word is chipu, carry away. Let's have a sentence. Let's have a sentence now. Just listen. I'll make a simple sentence to write that in Igbo. Okay? Okay. Carry away your bag. Carry away your... Oh, we're talking about chipu. We're talking about something that is many, not one thing. Chipu is referring to pieces of things that are many. Okay. Carry away your books. Let's use book. It has to be many. Carry away your books. Carry away your books. Write that in Igbo language. Carry away your books. Carry away your books. Write that in Igbo language. Write it now. Yes, 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 I'm waiting for you. Carry away your books. Ngwa, they are not Igbo. She says, they want cheap akwụkwọ. Great effort. Princess says, they want Chikezie, cheap akwụkwọ. Great effort. Yes, more contribution from you. Who else is dropping? Drop your own contribution. Carry away your books. Ngwa de ya n'asụsụ Igbo ọsịsọ egbula oge. Ana m eche gị. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Carry away your books. Carry away your books. Nwanyị ọma, ngwanụ. Carry away your books. Dr. Blahi, Clement Emehe, where are you? Fire now. Just a guy, where are you? Everyone has written. Yeah. I'm waiting for you, Dr. Blahi. Chipu akwụkwọ gị. Yeah, Dr. Blahi. You are coming up now, seriously. Dr. Blahi is on fire already. Ngwa, onye na-edenye ka anyị na-eche. Kedu onye na-abịa? Ngwa, there. Remember, if you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not doing us well. You don't show enough love for us and solidarity. Okay? Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we have a coming class or new videos or whatever, or announcement to make. We're always posting in our own community page. So check our community page for many information on book advert and so many other things there. Check our community page. You will see, community tab in our homepage. You will see so many things that have to do with book advert and other information that connects or concerns our community members. Okay. I work Clement Emehe wrote. Great. All your contributions, good morning. All your contributions are fine. Let's mark it now. Hoping or, believing that those who know what to write have written. Chipu akwụkwọ gị, princess, as everyone wrote. This answer is correct, except that the spelling of akwụkwọ is not correct. Akwụkwọ has to, U and O must have dot under them, and G also must have dot under the I. And that's why Chikezie's own is the most perfect one here. Chipu akwụkwọ gị, perfect, with Dr. Blahi. But Blahi, your akwụkwọ, you in your akwụkwọ does not have dot under. That's why it's not perfect. Okay, so Clement Emehe, Chipu akwụkwọ gị, perfect. These are correct answers. Adedolakpo Dosumu, they were teacher. Okay, Adedolakpo, I think you were in a class some time ago. Yeah, I remember Adedolakpo. Have you been in a class before? That name's ring in my head. You've been in a class before? Dolakpo, can you confirm that? Dosumu, please do confirm if you have been in a live class before. Your name is sounding in my head that you've been a student in live class before. Please confirm that. Okay, so we've done that. Next, okay, he say yes, please. Yeah, I can't be wrong. I'm not too old to remember. Okay, we go to the next one, the word is ichipu, which is to carry away. Okay, the sentence is I want to carry it away. I want to carry it away. Or I want to carry them away. That's better. Take note. I want to carry them away. Write that in Igbo language. I want to carry them away. Write that in Igbo language. I want to carry them away. Do write that in Igbo language now. Waiting for you. I want to carry them away. Yes. Go on. Right. I want to carry them away. Achorom ichipu ha. K. Chikeze has written. Who else is writing? Ezenwa. Achorom chipu ha. Great effort. Great effort. Great effort. Who else is trying? Who else is trying? I want to carry them away. Write that in Igbo language. Write that in Igbo language. I want to carry them away. Yes, do that now. Do that now. Okay, Adedolakbo. Achorom chipu moha. Okay, you tried your best, but you are not separating your words. You put everything together. My great-in-law, you put everything together. Try to separate them. Achorom ichipuha. That is Clement Emehe. Great effort. I love that. Dr. Blahi. Achorom ichipu. Achorom chipuha. Okay, doctor, you tried. Okay. But if you remember our vowel agreement, you know that choro, after CH, the vowel that follows is a light vowel, O with dot under. You will know that you don't have to start that sentence with E, but rather A to agree with the vowel. That is Dr. Ablahi's correction anyway. And we say that to carry away means ichipu, but you didn't write that. You wrote chipu instead of writing ichipu. You didn't complete your word, okay? That is for Dr. Ablahi, but a good effort anyway. Let me mark, because I intend to move a little bit faster because of what network have done to us. Let's see whether we can cover more ground. Who answered first? Here it is Chikezie. Achorom ichipuha. That is a perfect sentence here. Ezewa wrote Achorom chipuha. Of course, Ezewa didn't write ichipu. She wrote chipu. That's wrong. To carry away means ichipu. Okay? And you are choro must have dot under the O's. Dolakbo, I've corrected you earlier. You put everything together. It's never going to be so. Clement, achorom ichi puha. That's correct. I've corrected Dr. Blahi. No, we move on. Past tense of chipo is chipuro, carried away. Now the sentence is this: he carried them away. I'm still going to maintain them. He carried them away. Write that in Igbo language. Let's make it a little bit simpler. He carried them away. Write that in Igbo language. Remember that carried away means chiporo in Igbo language. Now the sentence is he carried them away. Okay? Okay, Dr. Blah, you have done your correction. Okay, that's fine. Now listen to the next sentence. He carried them away. Do that now in Igbo language. He carried them away. Waiting for you. Fire it now. Fire it now. Drop it. Okay, princess. O chiporoha. Good effort. Dolakbo. A chorom mu chipoha. Okay, Dolakbo, you are making correction for your last one. That's fine. But we have moved on now. I love your correction. But try to get the Igbo keyboard into your phone by going to language, input, language, keyboard, look for Kwati Igbo keyboard, install it to your phone. Your phone keyboard will have Igbo and English toggled together. When you hold on the long bar, you will see option of Igbo or English keyboard. When you are holding down any alphabet, hold it down. It will give you options of Igbo alphabet and English one. You select the Igbo one you want to use, like O with dot under, U with dot under, and the rest of them. Dolakbo, you can do that. Okay, Clement Emehem, O Chiporoha. Good. Dr. Blahi, O Chiporoha. Great. Who else is answering? Let me mark because of time. I want to cover more ground. Network has killed our time so much today. The sentence is, he carried them away. Let me look at the responses. McDonald, Chikezie, Ochiporoha, perfect sentence. Princess, Ochiporoha, except that you use O instead of O, that is O with dot under. That is the only thing you failed. Princess. Adodolakbo, okay, you are correcting your last one. Clement, Ochiporoha, perfect sentence. Dr. Blahi, Ochiporoha, perfect sentence. I have many students that are going to graduate very soon from this class, like Dr. Blahi. He was not like this before, but now he has improved so much. Okay, and I know Adedolapo will also improve like this if he continue. Dolapo, please remind me, you're a man or a woman? I can't remember again. I think you say something about, being married to Yoruba or something like that. I can't remember. But you can remind me, Adedolapo. Okay? You can remind me whether you're a male or a female. I think a woman. I can't remember. Please remind me. I don't want to make mistake. Please. But I know you. Yeah. I remember. You saw you're a woman. You just told a story sometime. That period, I remember. Yeah, don't like more. But you promised to buy the ebooks. You didn't buy again. Don't like more. You didn't buy, madam. You promised to buy our ebook that day. You didn't buy it eventually. I don't know why. You lost interest along the line. I hope you'll see buy today after class. If you don't remember how to buy, you let me know so that I can explain before the end of the class. Okay, we are moving on now. So they have marked the answers. Ocheporoha is the correct one. Clement got it. Dr. Blahi got it. My fiancé is from Abia. Okay, that's great. That's the more reason you need to be serious with your studies. You need to be more serious with this. It's important for you so much. Please try to buy our books after the class because it will help you. Those ebooks are very important, and they are very helpful for new students because the ebooks have audio, text, and pictures. That with that you can always listen to your teacher even when you are offline because you will download the audio and keep listening to it while you go into your book. They are so important and so helpful to every new student to buy them. So you need to buy them up. We have about 12 of them in our bookshop, and how to buy them is very simple. You can go to our homepage, open our channel description, and you see a link to the bookshop. Check our previous videos on this live session or other classes. Look at the video description box. You see a link to our bookshop. There are also some pinned images. Pinned comments, you see the link. Not only that, hit our community tab. Our channel community tab, hit it, it will open up. Go through the community tab, you'll see all the adverts for our old books. You click the link to our bookshop is always attached to the advert of the books. You just click on it and you go straight to the bookshop. Go through it, download as many you want with $25 or $30. You buy all the books, about 12 of them in the bookshop. You need them today, Mrs. Adedolapo Dosumu. Do that and you'll be glad you did. So we move on now. Not only those, all our new students, you have to buy our ebooks. And we also offer live classes, one-on-one live classes. In case you are interested in that, you can send us email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor, just our channel name, but put it together. The igbotutor@gmail.com. Send us a request today. We connect you on live classes. Thank you. We move on. And so Dolapo, confirm if you're going to buy the books after this class. So we move on to is carrying away. Is carrying away. Is carrying away. Na achipo. Na chipo. Okay. Now the sentence is they are carrying them away. 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 Okay, so let's write the sentence now. They are carrying them away. They are carrying them away. It's a little bit tricky. They are carrying them away. There's going to be confusion at the point here. Okay, Chikeze has written, Ha na-achịpụ ha. Okay, I'm waiting for more responses. They are carrying them away. They are carrying them away. Ngwa, dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo ọsịsọ. Dee ya ọsịsọ, dee ya ọsịsọ. They are carrying them away. Write it for us. They are carrying them away. Okay? Okay, Dolapo has written. That's a good effort. Nachoro. Roha. Okay, good effort. At least you are showing that you are hearing something. You are trying to put what you have had before into practice. That is very fine. That's very fine. That's very fine. But I'm sure the books will help you even learn faster. And then if you also need the one-on-one live classes, we are available to help. Okay. Now who else is dropping? Who else is dropping? Clement Emehe. Ha na chipoha. Great effort. Great effort. Any other person trying to say something or do something here now? Any other person? Okay. Any other person? Any other person? Any other person? I'm getting responses from 3 people. Chikezie, Dolakbo. Okay. Dolakbo and Clement Eme. Okay. Who else is trying? Some of you up till now have not hit the like button for this live session. That's not fair enough. All right, let's move on. I'm going to mark because I want to try to break at least 2 verbs before we close this class today. Let's look at the responses. Chikeze wrote, ha na chipoha. Ha na chipoha. Great. Dolapo wrote, na choro run ha. Not very perfect. Clement Mehe, ha na chipoha. Good effort. That's perfect. Dr. Blahi, check me. Dr. Blahi, what did you say I should check you? What did you say I should check? What did you say I should check? I don't know what you say I should check, doctor. Please. Oh, Chiporoha, he carried them away. Okay. So I don't know what doctor asked me to check. He said, check me. What do you want me to check, doctor? Okay. We move on now to will carry away. Will carry away. Ga chipo. Ga chipo. Ga chipo. Ga chipo. I will carry them in. I will, okay, let me say, continue with carry away. I will carry them away. I will carry them away. Let me vary the sentence more. I will carry them away. Dr. Bly, I didn't say your answer. Your answer is for the first one now, Ochiporoha. Ochiporoha. And I have already responded to that. That is correct. Your answer for that first one is very correct. Ochiporoha. He carried them away. Your response there was very perfect. But I've gone beyond that. I've said another thing again. I've said they are carrying them away. You didn't respond to that. Okay? Before I now come again, okay, to another one now. The another one I said now is I will carry them away. That's what I'm saying now. I will carry them away. That's where we are now. I will carry them away. Give us your response. Dolapo have written Gachiporo Moha, Gachiporo Moha, Hana Chiporoha. Okay, that's for the first one. That's good. Okay, I didn't see your response for that one, doctor. Okay, maybe I missed it out, but I just scrolled back. I didn't see it. The last response I saw for you, doctor, is Ochiporoha. He carried them away. Ochiporoha. That's what I saw last from you. Okay, doctor. Maybe you missed that question. Maybe you missed it. They carried them away. Hachiporoha. You didn't respond to that. Maybe you missed it. Okay, let's move on. Don't worry, let's move on. And then I will carry them away. That is the next sentence we're looking at now. I will carry them away. Princess Ezenwa wrote, Agam Chipoha. Okay, you are missing out a little thing. Agam a chipoha. You didn't add the a in front of chip. That is what you miss. Princess says in one. Agam a chipoha. Otherwise, your sentence would have been perfect. That's what Chikeze wrote now. Agam a chipoha. That is just the difference. Clement Mehe. Agam a chipoha. Perfect. Perfect. Anybody coming in again? Anybody coming in again? Anybody coming in? Dr. Blahi, come in now before I mark. Oh, not when I finish, you say you send the answer. Send it now. Let me mark together before we go to the last one. Dr. Ablahi, send your response now. Not after I've already rounded off and marked. You now start protesting. Send your response now. I will carry them away. Where is your response? I'm waiting for you, Dr. Blahi. I will carry them away. Okay, you are here. Agam achipoha. Okay, but you are H. Replace your H with I. Achipo. You didn't put H in front of C. Dr. Blahi, you put I again. I know it's typographical error. I know you know how to write that. Okay, so that's a typo. Today's network now. Wow. Now, what about today's network? Oh. Okay, I go on. Okay, let me go back. As anyone have marked your own, Chikeze, perfect. Clement, perfect. Dr. Blahi, I've already corrected your little error there, but that's a good effort. That's a good effort. Last sentence for this verb is ga chipo. Go carry away. Ga chipo. The sentence is go carry away the little chicks. Go carry away the little chicks. Go carry away the little chicks. I hope this sentence is not too long for our level. Or should I just say, go carry away the chicks? Go carry away the chicks. Anyone you can be able to write, please write. Go carry away the chicks. Now write. Go carry away the chicks. Dr. Blind, drop your response now. Go carry away the chicks. They are not so sick. Write it in Igbo language. Go carry away the chicks. Write this in Igbo language. We are doing Igbo language drill, and we're considering the Igbo verb game, where we use Igbo verb in different ways and turn it around and apply it in different scenarios where it has different spellings and different applications and different meanings. By so doing, you can expand your knowledge of Igbo language and their usage, Igbo verbs and their usage, and then establish yourself as a perfect, strong Igbo speaker anytime, any day. That's what we are dealing with here in this live Igbo session. We titled it, Let's Speak Igbo Language Live. So that's where we are. Let's see the responses we are getting. Okay. Go carry away the chicks. Okay, let's see what we got. Chikezero, ga chip one more cook. Okay, great work. Princess, ga chipun na obere okuko. Okay, I know you wanted to write mwa obere okuko. Princess is a mwa. I think that's what you want to write. Mwa obere okuko. You can also write obere okuko. Okay, that's also correct. Okay, and then Princess, you wrote ga ichipu. Instead of writing ga chipu, you are not supposed to add I in front of chipu in this case. When it comes to command ga, the command goes with the original word. Take this as a note. When you are giving a command with a verb, the command ga will go with the original verb. In this case, chipu is the original verb. If you say cheta, like yesterday, last Saturday, the last word was cheta, ga, cheta. If you want to say that, go remember, it will always go with the original verb, no alteration. Okay? So let's see the answers again. the Clement wrote ga chipu nwa ọkụkọ. Okay, I agree, accept that. Nwa ọkụkọ, ụmụ ọkụkọ. Okay, but nwa ọkụkọ look like one. You are referring to one single chick. Nwa ọkụkọ. It should be ụmụ ọkụkọ, meaning many chicks. Ụmụ is not one. It has to be more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is ụmụ ọkụkọ. Children. That is ụmụ. Okay, chicks or children. But if you say nwa ọkụkọ, you're talking about one chick. A chick, one, nwa ọkụkọ. So that is the problem with Clement Emehen's response. Dr. Blahi, ga chipu ah. No, Dr. Blahi, it didn't go very well. Look at what Clement Chikezie wrote. Ga chipu ụmụ ọkụkọ. That's the perfect answer for this. Zoe and Young, Dewo, Chinonso, welcome to class. Right. Even though you are coming in very late, but all the same, you have come. We don't get choice. So we go, it's Umo Okoko, not Umwa Koko. Dr. Blahi, O Okoko is spelled O-O-K-O-K-O, not A. Okay, that's fair. Now we go to the next verb for today. I think this should be the last one because network did not let us really cover more today. Chute is the verb. Chute. What is the verb spelling of chute? Can somebody write it for us? Chute. Yeah, that's the verb we're looking at now. We're through with the first one. The verb is chute. Yes. Who is doing it for us? Chute. Ngwa, write that verb for us. Clement has written, Zoe and Young has written, Chikeze has written, chute. That's great. Next assignment, the meaning of the word, chute, fetch. Okay, Zoe and Young has written that, fetch. Zoe and Young, you are prepared before coming. You are on fire already. And I know why. You are also in private class, so you are getting a double advantage. Zoe and Young is my private class. Some of these guys that are answering so fast, they are in my private class. So if you also want to be smart in public class, smart outside, get involved, register for private classes. That is a way to get an edge over others and then learn faster. So consider that today. Send us mail to theibotutor@gmail.com and request for a private class. We offer that. Thank you. So chute means fetch. That's correct. Chute, fetch. Chute, fetch. Okay? Right. Those who are also fast here, who are not in our private class, they have our ebooks with them. Because it's either you are in private class or you have our ebooks. Both have the same role they play. When you are having our ebooks, you are listening to me, always talking to you because you have my voice with you. The ebook is a special one because I have both audio and text and pictures all in one for the price of one. So when you have them, you can play them in your car while you are driving. You can play them while you are doing your laundry, you are doing your kitchen work, and play and listen to your teacher talking to you, even when you are offline, because you're going to download the audio and then download the book itself and have them permanently in your phone memory or computer memory. So that is an advantage for you. So if you've not bought our books, what are you waiting for? You are missing out. Get them today. Neka Icho. Okay, Neka. Dewo. Welcome to class. Though you come late, but all the same, better late than never. Now, the verb we are considering now is chute, which is fetch. Let's break it down. Chute is fetch. To fetch is what? Write it now. To fetch is what? To fetch. What is it? To fetch. Ichute, okay? Clement has written, Chikeze has written. I love those answers. Any other option? To fetch. To fetch. To fetch. I'm not going to wait for you to write this. Once I get a correct answer, I move on to the next question because of our time. Zoe and Young, Ichute, correct. So that's enough. Those answers are correct. If you have not written, don't bother again. Copy from what others have written. Then next one is fetched. Past tense of fetch is fetched. So what is the Igbo word for fetched? Past tense of fetch. What is the Igbo word for that? Give me the answer. Dr. Blahi, very well. Chikeze has written chutere. Okay, any other option? Waiting for you. Once I get 2 or 3 people that got the answer right, I move on. Chutere. Okay, McDonald has written, Zoan Young Chinonso has written chutere. Those answers are correct. And I'm moving on. If I got any other one, that's fine. So if you are copying chutere, Dr. Blahi, this is not chutere. The U doesn't have dot under. Please remove it when you're writing next time for this word. The U doesn't have dot under, Dr. Blahi. Otherwise, your answer is correct. Okay. Now we move on. Is fetching. Is fetching. What is the word for that? Igbo word for is fetching. Is fetching. Is fetching. Present continuous. It's a phrasal verb talking about present continuous. Okay, chikezie na echute. Okay, great word. Any other option? Chikezie has written is fetching. Present continuous is fetching. All right. Ne chute. Clement Emehe has written ne chute. Any other option? Any other option? I've got 2. I'm waiting for Zoa Young. I'm waiting for, okay, Zoa Young has come. Na echute, so that's fine. Those answers are correct. If you are writing, write them down. These guys are on fire. They are hot. And I know why. So these are correct. Now the next word is will fetch. Will fetch. What is the Igbo word? Will fetch. Yeah. Who is giving us that? Ga echute. That is Emehe, class captain. He's showing you why he's the class captain. He's leading the pack. Okay, Ga echute, that is Clement Emehe. Clement, you are serious these days, oh, you no joke at all. Okay, who else is coming in? Zoan Young, Ga echute, those answers are perfect. They are correct. We move on to the last one. Go fetch, a command. Go fetch. Go fetch. Chikeze wrote ga chute. Any other one coming in? Okay. Dr. Blanc, you also wrote ga chute. Okay, I love that. Go fetch ga chute. Great. Anybody coming in again? Where Zoan Young for this answer? Go fetch. Zoan Young is here. Ga chute. Great. I love these answers and I love the way they came in. So if you are a new student, you're following, please write this time around because time is against us and want to see if you can cover the sentences for all these words before we round up today's class. We begin with the sentences now. Sorry for moving very fast because we want to, cover these sentences before it's too late. Our time is getting longer. Network didn't let us do much today. So today we begin. Fetch. Sentences. Fetch water from the stream. Fetch water from, or go fetch water. Go fetch water. Let me not extend it too long, please. Go fetch water. Let's make it brief, please, because of new students. Go fetch water. Go fetch water. Go fetch water. Write the sentence in Igbo language. Yeah, I have Chikeze ga chute mmiri. Clement ga chute mmiri. Someone is writing, but the network is saying you should not look at that. Okay. Princess Ezewa. Okay, you wrote ga chute mmiri. Okay. But your chute is a little bit wrong. You use W at the end of chute. Maybe it's typographical error. You use W at the end. Dr. Blahi. Ga kutere miri. No, it's chute miri. Okay, that Dr. Blahi, your miri is also not correct. Maybe typographical error. Okay, you have corrected it chute. Princess, ga chute miri. That's perfect. Clement, ga chute miri. Perfect. All right, Zoan Young, ga chute miri. Ni. Okay. You added from the stream. Okay, great. That's great. Those sentences are correct, and I've done the corrections where necessary. We move to the next one. He, she, let me use the woman. They are the one that fetches water. She went to fetch water. She went to fetch water. She went to fetch water. Remember, the word we're talking about now is to fetch. Ichute, that is the word. Ichute. She went to fetch water. Give her the sentence. She went to fetch water. Give her the Igbo sentence. She went to fetch water. Give her the Igbo version. I have, let me see, Zoa Young. Okay, Chikezie Ogara. Ichute Miri. Clement Ojere. Ichute Miri. I love those options. Okay, Ogara Ojere. I love those options. I want to comment on that. That's interesting. I love those variations sometimes. Ogara Ichute Miri. Zoa Young. Great work. Anybody coming in again to these? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Is anyone, where are you? She went to fetch water. She went to fetch water. Waiting for Ezenwa and Dr. Blahi before I mark. Yes, Dr. Blahi is here now. Ogara Echute Miri. Okay? Remember, we're talking about Ichute, to fetch. But you wrote a chute, they are not the same. Dr. Blahi. Ichute is the word we're looking at. It appears your response is coming late. We passed that one. I think that was the first sentence we made. Go fetch water. That is what we consider first. But we are saying she went to fetch water. That's what we're looking at now. Ogara, Ichute Princess Ezenwa. Good work, good work, good work, good work. Perfect work. Okay? Perfect work. Anybody? Neka, do your correction. That's what we're talking about now. She went to fetch water. Do your correction and come back. And if you have not hit the like button for this live session, that's not fair enough. If you've not shared this video, that's not fair enough. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, that's not fair enough. Get ready to buy our ebooks. Call for live online class, private classes after this class. We'll wait for your mail. J210 okay? You are still referring to the first sentence, Neka, Icho. Maybe network is dragging you backward. Okay, let's do the marking now. Oh, starting with Chikezie Ogara Ichutemiri. That's perfect. Ogara Ichutemiri. Perfect sentence. Clement Emehe Ojere Ichutemiri. I said I'm going to talk about these two words. Ogara Ojere. Look at the two words. Both of them are correct. But when Clement used O instead of O, he cannot use Ogara. He used O Jere. Jere and Gara are all the same. They are used interchangeably. But when you want to use them, you must be careful. But Clement used them correctly. When you want to use Jere, it's a heavy vowel, E and E, heavy vowel. He cannot go with O. That's why it has to be O Jere. But if you want to use Gara, you cannot use O Gara. You use O Gara, vowel agreement. You have to agree always. So I agree with Clement. Ojeri Ichutemiri is also correct. Zohan Young, Ogara Ichutemiri, correct. Abdullahi, Ogara Ichutemiri, I've corrected that before. It's not Echute, it's Ichute. Princess Ezenwa, Ogara Ichutemiri, perfect. Nekicho, J Ichutemiri, I've said that already. Ojelu Ichutemiri, okay. Neka Icho, that's fine. But this year, Jelu, okay, is Gara. Some we also say Jere, but Jelu is more of your local parlance than the central one. It's either you use Jere or Gara, but Jelu is a very local parlance. I'm talking to Neka Ichok now. It's a local parlance. It's not a central Igbo. Anyway, Mili also. Mili is not a central Igbo. I think Neka should be from Anambra, I guess. You should be from Anambra State. Neka, am I right? Please confirm that. Is it Enugu dialect or Anambra dialect you are using? Zoayong says Enugu dialect. Is it Enugu actually? It seems to be Anambra dialect. Neka, correct us. Are you from Anambra or from Enugu? Neka Icho, please let's know where you are from. Enugu or Anambra. We're waiting for your response. Okay? So that's it. So those are answers correct. Okay? Now we're going to past tense of fetch, which is fetched, chutere. This thing have dealt with me today. I think I give up. All right. I think we've tried today. This network has succeeded in chasing everybody away from today's lesson. I don't know. Unfortunately, he has succeeded in chasing everybody away from today's lesson. That was going on very fine. Quite unfortunate. But I think I just need to complete these sentences before I round up. With whoever is online now, I will complete the sentences nevertheless. And then I am actually doing the past tense of fetch. And then I was talking about he fetched water yesterday. He fetched water yesterday. And I was asking for somebody to write that sentence for me. So whoever is around now, try doing that. I just want to round up the sentences before we pack our bags and leave. I know network has done a big blow to our lesson day, but all the same, I appreciate everybody and all our contribution and our doggedness. So I'm talking about he fetched water yesterday. That is the last sentence I was making before I was asked to shut up by network. He fetched water yesterday. Can somebody try that? Whoever is online now. Oh, chuteremiri echi. I said yesterday. Yesterday. Oh, chuteremiri echi. Okay, that is your option, Clement. But I'm talking about yesterday. Okay, Nick, I said from Anambra. That's okay. I suspected that language from Anambra actually. Okay, so let's get on that. Whoever is here now, he fetched water yesterday. He fetched water yesterday. Somebody, Clement has written. Who else is writing now? He fetched water yesterday. Write that in Igbo language. As we move on towards rounding up this lesson, he fetched water yesterday. He fetched water yesterday. Any other person contributing? Only Clement is here now writing. I think others have given up and they have gone. Nevertheless, we conclude this sentence series for this particular verb. I want to round up with that. So now, ochuteremiri. I'm only going to make a little correction. That's what I'm trying to correct, Clement. It's unyaho. Unyaho is actually the actual accepted word for yesterday. Unyaho. So you put unyaho, put U-N-Y-A-H-U with dot under the U. Unyaho. That is yesterday. Okay. Some of those in some clan, they say echigaraga. Echigaraga in some clan. They refer to yesterday as echigaraga, but that is not a centrally accepted Igbo language or Igbo version. It's a local version. So that's fine. That's unyaho, Clement. That's fine. So we move on to the next sentence, which is fetching. Is fetching. That's a word we're using now. Okay? They are fetching. What are they going to fetch? They are fetching. Are we going to use water again? I'm looking up for something else we should use. They are fetching. Okay, let's continue using water. They are fetching water into the drum. They are fetching water into the drum. Let's try our hands on that. Though it seems too long, they are fetching water. I think we should leave it at that. They are fetching water. They are fetching water. Let's leave it at that. Let it not be too long. They are fetching water. Yes. Can you try your hands on that? Clement seems to be the only one I have in the class that is active now. The rest competitors have all packed their baggages and left. Okay. They are fetching water. Oh yeah, Clement. Ha na-echute mmiri. A na-echute mmiri. Mmiri imi na ịgba. Okay. Okay, ha na-echute mmiri. Ha na-echute mmiri. Okay, I think we should leave it at that. At ha na-echute mmiri, they're fetching water. We should leave it at that. Let's not extend it too much. They are fetching water. Ha na-echute mmiri. And that is correct. They are fetching water. Ha na-echute mmiri. That's fine. I leave it at that. So, okay, like I was saying, we have talked about how they are fetching water. And the next one we're going to talk about before we finally give in is we fetch. Okay, and the sentence is, I will fetch water tomorrow. This is now, tomorrow. I will fetch water tomorrow. I will fetch water tomorrow. Let's write that in Igbo language. I will fetch water tomorrow. I will fetch water tomorrow. I will fetch water tomorrow. Okay, aga m echute mechi. Okay, aga m echute. You didn't complete your miri. Zoa Young, you didn't complete your miri. Miri, I will fetch water tomorrow. You didn't complete your sentence. You know, so I will fetch water tomorrow. Complete your sentence. I will fetch water tomorrow. Complete your sentence. Chinonso, that's a good effort. But complete your sentence. It's not complete. Okay. No, it's not agechute. It's agam echute. I think I've corrected you on this in a private lesson. Agam echute. Agam echute. The M will come before echute. Agam echute miriechi. Yeah, that is it. Clement Eme has corrected that. Agam echute miriechi. When it comes to I am, that's where it's going to go. The M will come in between the compound word. Agam echute miriechi. Okay, and finally, go fetch. Gachute. Okay, go fetch water from the pot. That is the last sentence. Okay, that's good. Go fetch water from the pot. Go fetch water from the pot. That's the last for today, and then we call it a day. Go fetch water from the pot. Go fetch water from the pot. Give me the sentence as we round up. Go fetch water from the pot. Ga chute mmiri n'ite. Great work. Great work, Zoe Young. Clement, what do you say to this? Go fetch water from the pot. Go fetch water from the pot. What is the Clement option for this? What is your position? Go fetch water from the pot. Ga chute mmiri n'ite na ite. Okay. When it comes to preposition, that is the word here, n'ite, a particular position. You don't write na in full. You write it the way Zoe Young wrote it, which is n'ite, N apostrophe, then ite is a preposition. Okay, so you don't write it na in full in this case. So it's exactly the way Zoe Young wrote it. That is where it should be. We really thank all of you for making it up to this moment, despite all the frustration from network. Those of you who still stayed up to this moment, I quite appreciate. I almost gave up, if not for your encouragement. I appreciate all of you, your time, your support. You are always coming around to learn with us. God bless you. Keep learning, keep pushing. Very soon, all of us will speak Igbo language. No, daalụ maka ụbọchị taa. Ka emesịa. Yeah, bye.